Okay, now on to the cross-section part, which is the main part I need you to take away from here, other than talking about and labeling the sides and angles and bases and faces. And you talk about what happens if you draw a plane, slice a plane through different shapes. So here we have a square pyramid. If I go vertical, watch what happens. This plane touches here, here, here. Whoops, missed it. Here, and that's a triangle. Okay, so that cross-section is a triangle. So here, if you notice, the bottom, when I slice on an angle, the bottom is actually wider than the top, right? Because it's higher up in the pyramid. Then you have these sides. So what 2D shape has a wider top and bottom? That's a trapezoid. Okay, and that angle slices are where you get the weird figures. Horizontal and vertical are clear to see. So the horizontal slice is the same as the top view. The vertical slice is the same as the front view. Okay, like we did in the other day. But see here, you have this, and it's a square. So now, what do I get? Vertical, angled, and horizontal of a cylinder. Okay, so if we draw a cylinder, looks like that. Okay, if I go vertical, any way I draw this, it's going to cut across here, down, and cut across there. So that's a rectangle. So vertical is a rectangle. Let's go to the next easy one, which is the horizontal. So if I cut across here, that's the same as the top view. So if I'm looking straight down and I cut across, I'm going to cut a circle out of here. And lastly, angled. Okay, so if I cut on an angle, what's going to happen is when you do angle, in general, it stretches the shape out. So it's similar to the top view, but on an angle. So it's going to stretch my circle and make it an oval or an ellipse, depending on what you want to call it. Ovals are more general. Ellipse is more specific based on its dimensions. And there you have it. Those are cross sections. So just practice it with different pyramids and prisms. Okay, in general, the vertical is the front view, and the horizontal is the top view, and then the tough one is the angled slice, where it usually stretches your shape out. It's a stretch of the top view. All right. Any questions? See me in class. Message me on Canvas or email. Do whatever it takes to dominate this lesson. Have a great